Welcome to the future of smart education. Edship Technologies presents the NORA product suite, intelligent solutions designed to connect, protect, and empower the school community. At the center is NORA Transit, the smarter transportation app that ensures every child's journey is safe, transparent, and connected, and administrators' activity is eased. NORA Transit, the app designed specially for transportation administrators, drivers, and caretakers. Together, they ensure safe and efficient journeys, and with NORA Connect, parents stay informed every step of the way. Features: live GPS tracking and maps. Track buses in real time with live location, estimated arrival times, student count on board, and complete route visibility with boarding points, all designed to give transportation admins and drivers or caretakers full control and clarity. Boarding points, routes, and stops. Transportation management team can create boarding points using maps, search, or GPS. Plan routes and stops efficiently, making transport smoother than ever. Fleet and vehicle management. Manage your fleet with ease. Add vehicles, update details, track service and fuel logs, and store emergency contacts in one place. Smart devices integration. Assign and configure GPS and smart card devices directly to each bus, ensuring transparency and security. Student directory and attendance. Access the complete student directory and automate attendance with RFID taps, instantly updating records without driver intervention. Schedules and route details. Every journey begins with clarity. Today's schedule shows routes, onboard students, live progress, and an emergency button right on the home screen. Navigation and delay reporting. Drivers follow mapped routes with ETAs at every stop and can instantly notify schools and parents in case of delays. Notifications and alerts. Send instant alerts to schools, staff, and parents, from delays to key updates, keeping everyone informed. Driver and caretaker profiles. Maintain verified profiles of drivers and caretakers, ensuring safety, accountability, and trust. Profiles and records. All records remain updated, from verified staff profiles to student lists, ensuring complete visibility. Key features: live GPS tracking, real-time bus location with student count and RFID attendance. Role-based login, secure access for admins and drivers with defined permissions. Today's schedule: routes, onboard students, live progress, and emergency contact. Boarding and fleet setup. Create boarding points, plan routes, add vehicles, and assign drivers or caretakers. Vehicle reports. Quick logs for fuel and maintenance. Driver and caretaker profiles. Verified IDS, licenses, and details. Student directory. Easy access to transport management team. Smart configuration. Link vehicles with GPS devices and assign students with smart cards. With NORA Transit, school transport becomes safer, smarter, and seamlessly connected for schools and every child on board. Download NORA Transit now and start school transportation smarter. Connect with us today. Visit edship.in or call +91 62385 06588. NORA Transit, powered with Edship Technologies, empowering education, connecting communities.